I haven't written an email in months because Claude does it for me. Give me a few minutes of your time and I will give you a simple, no fluff explanation as to how to connect Claude to your Gmail account so that you can do the same. Let's go. First off, go to Claude.ai. Make an account if you don't have one. It's really easy to set up. I would suggest just connecting your Google or Gmail account to it. Once you have that step done, go to the bottom left and click on your name. From there, go up to settings. Now that you're on the settings page, go to this customize section here and then go down and click on connectors. Connectors are what allows Claude to communicate with other platforms. Now, you'll likely see Gmail as one of these options at the top here. If you do, you can just click connect. You can see it already appears on the bottom here because on this Claude account, it is already connected. If you don't see it at the top and you don't have it connected already, click on add and then go down to browse connectors. From there, it will likely be at the top here as one of these first options. Otherwise, you can search it in the search bar and it will definitely come up. Once you have it come up, click the little plus sign next to it. Mine's not present on Gmail because again, I already have it connected on this account. After that, you're going to see a screen like this asking which Google account you want it connected to. So click the correct account you want and log in if necessary. After that, it's going to give you this message, which will ask you to allow Claude to access your Gmail account. Click continue. Next, you will see a page like this asking what you want Claude to be able to access within your Gmail account. Now, there's a few options here, so please scan through those and select accordingly. The options are view your email messages and settings, manage drafts and send emails, and finally, read, compose, and send emails from your Gmail account. So based on what you're comfortable with, check accordingly, and then at the bottom, hit continue. Once you have all that done, you should be good to go, but just double check by, again, going back to Claude.ai, going to your settings page, and then going to the connectors and looking. If you see it here, then you're all good. Now that Claude is connected, let's test it out to demonstrate the capabilities. Now, there are a number of different things you could tell Claude to do, like summarize your inbox the past week, but I'm going to tell Claude to scan my Gmail inbox and see if there's any messages in the past 24 hours that warrant a reply. Okay, Claude is done. Let's see what it came up with. Now, this is the inbox for my real residential cleaning company. So some of this private customer information, I'm going to keep private and blurred out. But as an example for this demonstration video, I did send over a test email from myself from my personal email account requesting a deep clean quote. So you can see here in the response from Claude, Claude says, here's what actually is worth acting on from the last 24 hours. Needs a reply/response. Number 1, deep clean inquiry from Ethan Marshall. That's me. Wants a call back tomorrow between noon and 1 to discuss a deep clean quote worth a quick confirmation email or heads up to your VA to call him at that window. The rest are legitimate leads and business emails that I'm not going to show on camera. But I'm going to tell Claude, please draft a reply to Ethan Marshall and place it in my drafts folder ready for me to review and send. Now, if you're following along and you tell Claude to draft a response for you, you may be asked one additional authorization step to allow Claude to actually write that draft. And from there, you can hit allow or always allow based on what you're comfortable with, but just a heads up. It's not going to show that on mine because I've already used this before. All right, Claude is done. Draft is in your Gmail drafts folder, ready to review and send. It confirms the noon to 1 p.m. callback tomorrow and asks a couple quick prep questions. Notice how I didn't have to tell Claude what to respond. I just told it to respond. That's the power here. Now let's go to my Gmail account and check it out in draft form. All right, I'm in my drafts folder and here's what it wrote. Hi, Ethan. Thanks for reaching out. I'd be happy to give you a call tomorrow between noon and 1, yada, yada, yada. In the meantime, if it's helpful, a couple quick details that'll help me get an accurate quote. So this is pretty much done and ready to send. If you found this helpful and want to make your inbox fully automated, I teach that and all of the other AI systems that I use to run my multiple AI-powered businesses inside of my school community. That's links below in the description. There's a 7-day free trial, so you can try it out completely risk-free. Otherwise, I'll be continuing to post tons of free Claude and AI resources on this YouTube channel every single week. Drop me a comment, like, subscribe if you found this helpful, or if you have any questions. Have a great day.